tipong mahiyain sa umpisa. Pero pag yung nakuha mo na yung ugali niya, kampante na siya na makikipag-usap, so friendly. Pero minsan may topak din.
Si Angel, tahimik. Minsan. Hindi nagkikwento sa akin kung anong problema.
Emotional. Mahilig siya mahilig siya magkwento. Tapos minsan, sweet, ihahag ka na lang bigla. Pero pag minsan naman, pag wala siya sa mood, hindi siya mag-attempt na ihag ka. Basta parang wala lang. Ganon. Si Angel, very siya, para pagdating sa school, gusto niya laging perfect yung mga ginagawa niya and gusto niya lagi ma-achieve yung grades na gusto niya, which is okay naman kasi nakikita namin ngayong first sem naging with high honor siya. Super proud kasi na-achieve niya lahat yung gusto niya, lalo na yung sa school. And then, nakikita ko sa kanya everyday kung paano yung pag-grow niya. Lalo na ngayon na 18 na siya, nakikita ko yung self-confidence niya na talagang nagbago, na kaya nang i-handle yung sarili niya.
Super proud ako kay Angela kasi kagaya sa school, nasabi ko sa kanya parati na lang siya, yung grades niya, pasado lang siya parati. Pero pinasobra niya pa, nag-graduate siya ng grade 10 with honors. Tapos ngayon, with high honor naman.
Keep this super short para mas may time for the after party. Your words. We were friends simula pa lang elementary. Years ago, pinapayagan lang po akong gumala magkasama si Angela. And I can't believe time has gone so fast and now we are celebrating your legality. I'm very much happy to have witnessed most of your faces. Partly sad because we aren't able to spend our senior high school together. Despite the distance, we never failed to catch up on our chicas and ganaps. I hope you foster more positivity into your life and blossom to the beautiful woman you are. Advance happy 18th birthday. I love you.
I met Angela in 2019 when I transferred to St. Agnes. So syempre, I remember being anxious about transferring to a new school kasi the unfamiliar faces and everything. Tapos, Angela has always been such a kind and caring person na siya yung talagang nag-first na mag-approach sa akin. Tapos simula doon, naging smooth sailing yung friendship namin. Kahit na hindi kami super active sa pag-message sa isa't isa, lalo na hindi kami nabibigyan ng chance mag-meet up dahil sa schedule conflicts, I can still confidently say na I still think that you are just one call away, and I want you to know that I'm also just one call away when you need me. So, as I look back at our friendship in 7th grade, naalala ko kung gaano ka ka-mature for our age. Yung pag nag-aaway kaming dalawa ni Heda, ikaw lagi yung nagiging bridge para magbati kami instead of taking sides. So, I really looked up to that. I really looked up to you as a friend and as a person. Kahit hindi ako ganun kagaling mag-express ng feelings ko through words, you always made me feel like you understood. So I just want you to know that I'm always here for you and that I'm very, very proud of you. You are truly one of the most genuine people I know, and I hope that the future treats you well. Happy 18th birthday, Angela, and I'm so grateful to have you.
Advance happy 18th Angela. First of all, I never foresee that you will be one of my closest friends. I remember the time that we just randomly talk about someone, and that leads to endless talks and bonding. You are there when I need you the most, especially when I need your advices as my ate. I couldn't believe that I'm standing here in front of the person who genuinely loves and cares for me. As you step into adulthood, I want you to know how much you mean to me. I want to celebrate not just the passing of time, but the incredible person you've become. Today marks a new chapter filled with endless possibilities, adventures, and beautiful memories waiting to be made. May this year be filled with love, laughter, and all the joy your heart can hold. Again, advance happy birthday, Angela. And here's to many more years of laughter, love, and unforgettable adventures together.
Advance happy birthday, Angela Boo. I'm super grateful na naging friends tayo nung grade 7 since baguhan nga ako that time. It's a new environment for me. Pero I remember that you approached me first and then take a tour sa school and naging close tayo to the point na meron na tayong secret place. Nung grade 7 na pinupuntahan natin lagi pag need natin mag-rant sa isa't isa. Even though hindi na tayo nagsasama as before, I will always be here for you no matter what. I will always listen to your rants, to your chicas, and many more. I will always be proud of you, lalo na sa ACAD, since I know how tayo nag-struggle noong grade 7 hanggang noong grade 10. And yun na. Happiest birthday, Angela. I love you.
Hi, Jalabu. To my Jalabu, happy birthday to my sweet, caring, minsan corny, and lovable girl. Thank you for being a person I can trust, and thank you for being a shoulder I can cry on. Just like the scandal, you shine bright and will always continue to do so. I hope that you always remember that you are enough, and that I am always here whenever you need a shoulder to cry on. And I will always and forever support you. Cheers to 18 years. Have a wonderful birthday and an even better year. I love you so much.
Happy 18th birthday to the girl with a beautiful soul, inside and out. Thank you for being one of my good friends. You deserve all the happiness that the world has to offer, and all the blessings from God. You know I will always be here for you. Just want you to know that I am thankful for the friendship we have and can't wait to make more crazy memories with you. I hope this year brings you love, joy, and happiness you deserve. May you have a life full of amazing opportunities and experiences. Love you always, my Jalabu.
Hi, Jalabu. Happy birthday. I hope that as you begin this new chapter in your life, you will be able to open doors to a prosperous future with countless prospects. Happy 18th, you know the rest. Savor the journey, cherish the moments, and relish the freedom that adulthood brings. I love you so much.
Happy 18th birthday, Angela. Our friendship was very unexpected, although kilala na kita ever since I transferred. And I hope we can get along with each other more and make more memories together. Thank you for being one of my best and trusted friends. May this day be filled with joy, laughter, and wonderful memories. I will always be there for you, and I will always be your personal photographer. Enjoy every moment and happy birthday.
Hi, Angela. Happy 18th birthday, Angela. Today is an important day in your life since you are officially entering adulthood. I wish you a wonderful 18th birthday full of love, laughter, and adventures. Basta whatever happens, I'll be here for you if you need a friend. Enjoy your day. Love na love ka namin ng mga taga-Sicily.
Hi, Angela. Advance happy 18th birthday. You're officially an adult now, ready to conquer the world with your unique sparkle and strength. And as you step into this new exciting chapter of your life, may you embrace every moment with courage, joy, and endless possibilities. Cheers to you, and may all your dreams come true. And I hope we still keep on walking the same runway.
Hi, Ate Angela. Advance happy 18th birthday. I honestly can't say anything right now. It's not a joke. But I just want to say thank you for being ate to me, especially in our modeling class. I'm so glad to see you celebrating another chapter in your life. This day marks a significant milestone and a symbol of your personality growth and development. Here's wishing you happiness and success on this special day and the years ahead. Hi, Ate Angela. Advance happy birthday to you. Enjoy this special moment of your life as you turn 18 today. May this be an opening chapter in your life filled with success and happiness. God bless always, Ate Angela.
Anong tawag mo sa tropa mong matangkad? Really, Paul? Ako, Paul mo ako. When I first met you in modeling, I wasn't that close to you like today. But now, you're turning 18, and I'm glad to be somewhat connected to you. My wish for you is that you'll choose the right path in the future so you can live happily ever after, like in a fairy tale. Happy 18th birthday, Ate Angela. Sana tumangkad ka pa.
You, dear Angel, a pleasure being part of your celebration today. Happy 18th birthday, Jel. Today is a very special birthday of yours, marks the end of your childhood and the exciting start becoming an adult. I'm wishing you love and happiness. Happy birthday.
Angel, the first time I saw you sa office, I see a woman who is very kind, genuine, and loving sa family. Si mama mo lagi super proud every time nagkukwentuhan kami. She always saying na si Angel masyadong shy. Kaya the time na pumayag ka to enter modeling, I was also so proud kasi I witnessed you transform into a woman right now na who is also confident, and at the same time you grow beautifully with a kind heart. I wish you all the best in life and continue to honor your parents and continue to be kind. You know, your beauty radiates the kindness that you have inside. Happy birthday, and of course, welcome to Legality.
Kayo, more birthdays to come, and God bless always. Happy birthday. Angel, I will miss your childhood. Miss your Lola to cuddle you. Now you are already lady, beautiful lady. God bless you, Angel. Continue to be humble and make kindness towards others so that God will bless you, that all your becomes the reality in your life. I love you, Angel. I miss you so much. Love, Lola.
Hi Angela, happy birthday. So, I'm giving this gift from the bottom of my heart. And I'm giving this because maybe you should need to use this. Happy birthday.
Jen, this is my simple gift for you. Simply because this is not too much expensive, but this is comes from the bottom of my heart. This is my gift, and it is not a gift, but it is the thought that counts. Have a blessed and a wonderful 18th birthday to you.
Hi Angela, I'm giving this gift. I'm going to spoil it. It's a perfume, and I feel like it's going to be your signature scent, and it matches you so well. Happy birthday!
Hi Angela, happy birthday. This gift is a collection ng mga pretty things na nakita ko sa mo. Kasing pretty mo. Yung isang item dito, magagamit mo pang check ng attendance. Yan, huwag mo na ako ililate, ha? Happy birthday!
Hi, Angela. My gift represents you transitioning into an adult. This is supposed to be something na lalagyan mo ng necessities, pero it can also serve as something to hold your dreams as well as the joys and sadness that you may face in this life. Happy birthday!
Ganda pa tong message since wala siyang boses ngayon. According to her, The gift that she'll be giving to you is one of your favorite delicacies. You reflect a jolly and playful child that radiates the world with positivity and sweetness that's so rare these days. I respect you for having a mindset like that. Happy birthday, and she hopes you like.
Happiest birthday, Angela. This is just a simple present that can empower you more, especially that you're a certified adult, a lady at the legal age. This will remind you how sophisticated, awesome, and lovable person you are. Again, happy birthday, Angela.
Cute to 18, Angela. This is a simple gift, but it reminds you of how much of a beautiful person you are. Hi, happy 18th birthday. This gift of mine will adapt more to your beauty.
Happy birthday. Ito palang gift ko ay magagamit ko ito sa pagmamodeling mo. Happy birthday.
Hello, Angel. Sorry in advance, di ko nabili yung paborito ko since childhood. I'm giving you the next best thing in advance.
I present you this bag. Just as this bag will hold your essentials, may it remind you to always keep close what is truly important in your life. Your values, your dreams, your loved ones, and your unique self. Happiest birthday.
Hi, Angela. I decided to give you this gift kasi you're close, especially tonight, trying to spread us this gift. Happy birthday, Angela. Happy birthday. Bag. Kasi, alam kong favorite make-up, so dito mo siya ilalagay. Happy birthday.
Hi, Angela. Happy birthday. I got this. I got this gift for you kasi bigla ako duman kasi nakita ko may sing. Sabi ko, oh, this is Angela. Sabi, parang
Parang nakadami ka na sa mobile bar. Anong pinainom mo dito?
Because, I think favorite color mo. Bro, I love you, Snoop.
Ayan. Pati microphone sumisilok na.
Hi, Angela. On behalf of Best Models Management Family, basta that you can remind you na how confident you are now.
Hello, Angela. Happy birthday. Mga kaabot sa SM. I-treat mo na lang sarili mo. Yun lang.
Hi, Angel! Happy birthday! So, kung para saan makaabot yung ibibigay namin sa'yo, I suggest, iabot mo kay mama at ipasok mo sa Sun Life. Oo, sa investment para mas dumami pa siya. Ayun lang. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Angel. Happy birthday. Saan maabot? Sino? Aabot sa'yo. Abot ko na lang. Aabot ko. Sure ko.
In behalf of Jules, alam mo na kung saan to aabot. Sa bulsa mo. Pero pwede mo naman ibigay sa mama mo. Alam ko may investment ka. Para sa'yo to.
Happy birthday! Kung saan naabot yung 1K. Siyempre, you can save it for future birthday. Happy birthday! Ganun din sa akin. Savings lang.
Happy birthday. Yun din, feeling ko sa gastos yung gala. Pero I hope you will.
Hi, Angela. Happy birthday.
Feeling ko, abot ko sa kantin. Kada may practice. Yun lang, happy birthday ulit.
Yes, Angela. Sana abot. Aabot sa'yo tapos savings.
Happy birthday!
Oh, yeah. Happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best. Hindi ko alam kung saan to aabot. Happy birthday, Angel. Saan abot? Baka boyfriend mo. Ay, sorry. Happy 18th birthday.
Hello, Ate Angel. Happy birthday again. Happy 18th birthday. Kaabot. Just keep it inside your wallet. From makita siya. Love you.
Happy birthday, Angel, yung ate ng baby ko. Saan ito aabot? So, pwedeng sa bangko or sa wallet mo. Happy birthday, we love you.
Angel, happy birthday. Pang Shopee. Happy birthday, Angela. Pambili mo ng school supplies, ng notebook.
you step on a new chapter of old, may each shot represent the vibrant and diverse experiences awaiting you. Here's to embracing every moment, making memories, and cherishing the journey ahead. Cheers to you and the unremarkable person you are becoming. Si Angela kay ito, naroon yung mga bukan sa daig pa. Ikaw nakakarawang ko iniyo. Ngunit nakikid ako. Magayon naman siya. Ikaw na hindi ko sa magagong kung saan ka naglubos. Alam mo, ang pasalamatan mo, nakuha mo sa magayon na parte kan magurang mo. Pero, magpasalamat ka manggiraray sa ina mo. Kasi siya, ginili kang magayon.
Message ko na sa'yo, pagbutihin mo palalo yung pag-aaral mo and sana pagdating ng araw, maging successful ka. And then, lagi mong tatandaan yung lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo. Alam ko na uumay ka na lagi na pinapaalala ko sa'yo na maging mabuting tao sa kapwa. And then, huwag makakalimot kay Lord.
Since ko kay Angela, andito lang kami parati ni Mama. Nagagabay sa'yo. Gagawin namin lahat para sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Paye! We love you!